show you guys how I filled up my son's pinata. The first thing I did is that I went to my local bargain store and I bought $20 worth of chocolates. Now, if you guys don't have a local bargain store, you guys could go to the Dollar Tree, or you guys could go to the 99-cent store if you guys have that in your area, or Walmart or Target. I bought a bunch of chocolates, and then I went to California Liquidation. Liquidators, my bad. I live in California, and I got that big old bag of candy for only $5 right there. Extremely cheap. So if you guys don't have a place like that, I would look for the best deals possible. Just go to places where you know you can buy candy for cheap. I live in Los Angeles, so I can go to downtown. There's like so many places for me to go, but yeah, I could even go to Mexico and just get candy because it's like so cheap. So I'd go to like any place to get really candy for cheap, okay? I recommend it so you guys can have a lot of candy for the pinata and everything. Then I got party favors at Party City. These are the receipts. These are things I bought. I ended up getting mini crayon boxes and like other things. And I'll show you guys everything. I spent $30, but I also got a cake sheet for his birthday cake, so that's part of it, and it's not all just for candy, okay? So it would have been like $24 just on party favors and an extra bag of candy because I wanted some minion candy, which is why I spent $10 on that bag of minion pop rock candy. So that's the bag that I'm showing you guys, and that's how much candy I have. So it's a lot. And I got these paddle balls for I think over $3. They come with 12. Those are gonna go in the candy bags, and some are gonna go in the pinata. So some of these are definitely going in the pinata. I'm also putting a jump rope in the pinata. I'm putting erasers in the pinata. I'm gonna open that pack right there, like you'll see it right now. I'll show you. Oh, these are the minion candies. Some of these are gonna go in the pinata as well. Those are the erasers. They're gonna go in the pinata. They were only $1. The crayons were about $4, and it comes with 12 crayons. And those are gonna go in the gift bags, and the rest are gonna go in the pinata. So that's a cake sheet thing that I bought for $6 at Party City. What I'm going to do with that notepad, I'm going to open it, and then I'm going to open the color pencils. I'm going to stick those in the pinata. That way, whatever kid gets it, decides, they can have it. And they were only $1, you guys. That little set, it was only $1. And I'm also going to stick stickers in the pinata because I remember when I was a kid, I used to love getting stickers. People would always throw them in the pinata, and I used to love picking them up. So that's something that I'm going to do.
Dan el beat de producer.
I put a bunch of candy in there, and I'm going to continue to fill it. I literally still have so much candy left over. I actually made this pinata, so if you guys want to see how to make this pinata, I made a video on it, and you guys could, I'll leave the link down below. You guys should click on it. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe. Just continue to fill your pinata to the top. And yeah, I'll show you how much candy I have left over, you guys. This is a bag. I still have that whole pack, and I still have a bunch of candy in here. And then I also have party favors that I still have to cut, and that's literally all the candy I have left over. After putting all that candy right there, it's gonna go into the gift bags. So I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna leave another video, and I'll link it down below where I show you guys how I set up my some candy bags and where I bought these candy bags. And if you guys like this, please like.